All right, so let's start with the first type, which is called catenation. This is when the final consonant sound links to the first vowel sound of the next word. Let me show you an example. So you can see here we've got pick, it. But when a native speaker says this naturally and quickly, they'll simply say pick it, pick it. So that final K sound in pick is a consonant, and the first sound in it is a vowel sound, so those two sounds join together. So one more time, we don't say pick it, we say pick it, pick it. That K and that it sound join together. Let's look at another example. Turn on. But in natural English, natural fast spoken English, we would simply say turn on, turn on, turn on. So you can see that N and that O, they come together, they join together. Now let's look at one final example. Leave it alone. In fast natural English, this becomes leave it alone. Leave it alone. So you can see that the V, that V sound, and the it sound, they join together, leave it. And then the T sound from it and the first at sound in alone, they also join together, leave it alone. Leave it alone. So this is one of the simplest ways to improve your speaking skills. Simply join the final consonant sound to the first vowel sound of the next word.